What's up, my fellow gym rats? There's the time. Early. It's early. 4:10 a.m. It's a Monday. It's a chest day. It smelled wonderful outside this morning, man. It rained all night. Yeah, it was raining all night, and man, just everything just smells so fresh and clean when you wake up after a nice rain, man. And it wasn't even like a brutal one. I feel like every time we've had rain for the last 2 years, it's just been a freaking brutal storm, like damn near tornadoes. Just to get a little bit of rain, man. We've been dry around here. But we got some rain last night, and it was just a nice steady rain, dude, which is good. Those are the type of rains that if you have a leak, even a slight leak, you're going to figure it out. It's those long, slow rains. It's not even really the downpours, man. Once that water starts downpouring and it finds a way to run, it's just going to run that way. Obviously, if you have a leak, it's going to leak, but it's those long, steady rains, man. They're not really super hard. They're not downpours, but they're steady. And those ones are going to tell you if you have a leak for sure. So I'm excited to get back this morning and run up in that office, because since I put the roof on, we haven't had a rain. It's been weeks. So we had a all night long, slow, steady rain. So I'm anxious to get back there and make sure that my shit's not leaking. Especially since we didn't do everything brand new. We just tied into a lot of stuff that was already there. We did replace all the rafters and the walls and the floor and stuff like that, but we tied on to the house, the roof. We used the same old flashing trim that was up there. They had to use a brake to bend that trim, so I don't have a brake. Anyway, it'll be nice to make sure that my work is up to par. But before then, we're going to get this chest day in. And, yeah, I don't know what I'm going to start with, but I'm feeling like incline bench today. Maybe decline. Don't know. Know it all. This is a conundrum every day. What am I going to do? What am I going to do to start brutalizing these muscles? So, with all that nonsense being said, let's get it. Alright, we're going to start this chest day out with some incline bench. We're just going to do 35 on each side. I was going to try a plate. I think I tried that last week and I only got 4. So I was going to try it again this week, but I really fucked my thumb up replacing that toilet in my house this weekend. I have no idea what I did, but I can't grip anything, or if I was going to try to tighten something with these 2 fingers, it's not fucking happening right in here. And I have no idea what's going on, because I can move it. It's all good. Doesn't really hurt. Doesn't hurt at all to do any of that. That hurts a little bit. It hurts right back in here. I have no idea what's going on, but I tried to put 45 on here and push that fucker off of the rests, and it hurt my hand pretty bad, dude. And I don't want to be in the middle of it and drop this thing on my face. That wouldn't be good. So we're just going to have to go a little lighter. And I haven't done the 35 on each side. I did a warm-up set of 10 with the bar, and I did a warm-up set of 5 with just a 25 on each side. And then I took those off, tried the 45s. That was rather painful. And like I said, I really could probably push through it, but I don't want to slip and drop this bar on my face, man. I think I might have a hairline fracture in there or something, because it feels pretty good. It's only when I try to like twist or really grip onto something that it hurts. And it's just right here in my thumb. It is what it is, I guess. But let's try to do these. If I could quit hitting these things, I'd get another rep or two in there, man. Damn it, what am I doing? I need to come, if I come forward anymore, I'm not gonna be able to squeeze my big head in between this bar and this bench. Incline bench is awkward. It's a little different. Shit. Yeah, we can do that though, that'll be alright. Damn, that thumb hurt. Oh, I'm glad we did this first. Get this shit out of the way. Hopefully the rest of it feels better on the thumb. That fucker hurts. It's getting all hot. Yeah, it's warm. I don't know what's going on with this thing. You know, this isn't the first time it's hurt right there, though. Honestly, I think this might stem from when I packed my deer out of the woods last deer season. I had to pull that freaking buck out of the woods for 7 miles. It took me 7 miles to get that thing out of the woods all by myself. Holy shit, that was tough. Up in them hills, boy. Thank God I had the deer cart, but boy, it was still a struggle. Still straight up struggle bus, homie. But it was worth it in the end. I'm still eating on that buck. Matter of fact, I just ate some, she's been making that chicken parm with the ground up chicken meat and smashing it down real flat and then putting it in the freezer and then coating it in these organic pork crumbs or whatever, I don't know. The healthiest breading stuff we could get. I think it's like pork rinds or it's like pork skin or like I don't know what it is. It's really good though. And then she fries it up in avocado oil. But we had that with that buck meat last night and some chicken because, I mean, it takes a lot of meat to feed me. But that shit was fucking bomb, dude. It was so good. I smashed so many of those little patties, man. Oh my God. I just kept eating. It was delicious. But when I packed that buck out, I did something, and it wasn't just this thumb then, though. It was both of them. And I think it was from gripping the deer cart and pulling for so long. I don't know. But, yeah, let's hope it gets better quick, huh? Damn you. God, dude, I'm so sick of hitting those things. Oh, at least we didn't hit those bars. That makes me happy. Oh my gosh, get it together, man. For our next endeavor, we're gonna do dumbbell chest flies with the 30s, and we're gonna combo those with tricep pushdowns with the rope. Oof. Oh, shit. $100.
Morning.
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 Good morning. Alrighty, now we got some cable crossovers coming in hot. We got 40 on each stack. And that's that. Let's get them. Get them in. Let's get them in, baby. Oh, I just want that to be it for today for some reason. I don't want to do that fifth exercise. Got that machine press set up and I'm just not feeling it, dude. You know what that means. Let's get it. All right. Oh, these are so vicious because you can go to failure and beyond, dude. This little foot, I just rest my this little foot push, whatever it's called. I just let my feet do the bare minimum of work while my arms are struggling, just using my feet to help me get that extra couple of reps. God, and it is brutal. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh God. All right, last set. Let's do it. Holy shit. That's that. That's a Monday. It's over. For now, for here. It's supposed to rain off and on all day, so we'll probably get rained on the run. No big deal. Keep us nice and cool, huh? But that's it for in here, man. This session is finito. I'm over it. Do a little flex and back to the casa. Man, I don't even gotta clean the mirror off today. It's clean. Oh yeah. Felt real good about it today. She's swole. So I did that fit exercise, man. I did not want to do that. I want to do the sheep press. Oh my god. I don't know why. I wasn't tired this morning. I wasn't feeling sore or really anything. My legs were a little sore from running yesterday. My hands. But other than that, I'm feeling good. I felt well rested this morning. I'm well hydrated and fed. I just didn't know how to do that fifth exercise. And like, oh, we already did the cowbell. Yeah, I really horrible go home. Nope. Not happening, dog. Not happening. Oh, that is sick. That is so fucking sick, dude. It's fucking sick, dude. Oh, sick, dude. This shit's so sick, man. I didn't even know you could do this. You know, good, hard effort. Dude, you could change your whole body, dog. This is crazy, bro. I was 135 pounds, man. I don't know how many times I said it. I was 135 pounds. Wow. You could count out motherfucking ribs, bro. You could count out. Can't anymore. Well, dude, I feel good. I feel good about it, man. This shit makes me just feel so good about myself, dude. What's up? Time for breakfast here. I don't feel like running all the way over there and setting up the tripod, so I'm just going to show you quick what I got. Ooh. Got eggs. We've got buttered sourdough. And we've got sausage. And we're buying a new type of eggs now. These are organic pasture raised. Extra healthy.
Yummy.
Yeah. We got a nana.
We got a lot of bananas.
Yeah, we got us a naner. And that's what's for breakfast today. What's up? Run time. Time to do that run today. It is misting and drizzling a little bit, but we are not too concerned with that. I forgot my door doesn't open without my window being down. Oh, Linda here. Linda, don't mess around, right? Come on, Linda. Give me a break. Alright, now we roll you up so you don't get all wet, you know. Yeah, it's starting to rain a little bit harder now. Which, hey, whatever, it is what it is. No excuses. We're getting it. But we came to a new place. We drove out here I've actually run a race here before it actually started. Right here at whatever this place is. It was the St. Patty's Day race. Literally, that was the start line right there. And I just got tired of, you know, well, I'm not really tired of it. I just didn't feel like running the same old fucking route today. It's kind of a nasty day, though. I don't know if you can see the downtown there. But, it's alright. It's a little windy. Spitting a little rain on it, so I hope it keeps cool. But anyway, I'm going to do a little warm-up here. I'm going to start the old running app, and I'll see you along the way. I do not know the miles here, so I probably won't be quick enough to pull the phone out when she's, spouting off. But I throw the splits up anyway, so let's get this warm-up in. I'll see you on the route. Alright, here we go. We're started. It's a windy, misty run it's going to be, but that's the old muddy Missouri right there. Nice little pond. See? But this is it, and we're getting it. There it is. So we're about to run over. Haven't hit a mile yet, but that's the old pedestrian bridge. Omaha's pedestrian bridge. It's time for the climb. That's where we came from. Coming up on a mile here.
Lap 1. Lap pace 8 minutes 1 second. Total 1 mile.
One down. 5 more to go. See you on the next one.
Lap 2. Lap pace 8 minutes. Total 2 miles. 16 minutes 1 second.
Oh, I got a side stitch. My fucking ribs hurt.
Lap 3. Lap pace 8 minutes 8 seconds. Total 3 miles. 24 minutes 9 seconds.
All that time hunt turkeys this year. There's a big old Tom right there.
Lap 5. Lap pace 8 minutes 12 seconds. Total 5 miles. 40 minutes 37 seconds.
Oh, pushed it. Oh, fuck. Woo. Boy, that was tough. Oh, that last 2/10 of them. Oh, jeez. Oh, shit. We did it, though. It's our fastest 10K right there, 50 minutes. I was shooting for 48. I was trying for 8 minutes per mile for 6 miles. And I really got that. It's just that 0.2, man. Whew. Holy moly, dog. Oh my God, I almost fucking puked. That's only the second time that's ever happened to me. Well, It's not the second time I almost puked from running. It's just the second time I really came that close. Whew. That's it though, baby. Let me see what the pace and stuff was. Well, I did break 50. 40, I got a new record for a 10K for this year. It's pretty close to my best. My best is 46.06, I think. This one was 49.57. With an average pace of 8:02 per mile and a distance of 6.22 miles. So, now we gotta walk around for a bit. The last lap, I was on pace for a 6:33, I think, mile. Whew. Yeah, pushing it back here, and it's a few little hills there. Oh man, that was fucking tough. Hell yeah, though, I did it, baby. Raining, nasty, windy, tougher course because it's uphill on the way there at about 3/4 of a mile, half a mile. You do uphill, and then on the way back you do that uphill again. Whew. Feeling good about it, feeling beastie. Feeling like I just ran a 10K for sure. A fast one. My knees are sore though. My knees are really sore. I think I'm probably gonna have to cool it on the curls and extension machine. I've been going super hard on that shit. I'm gonna have to cut it out. Something, because my knees are fucking getting brutalized, dog. Oh shit. But anyway, that's a day. We got everything we got everything we needed to done at home today. We got the gym in, we got the run in, and some new surroundings here, you know what I mean? Fucking good deal, man. Like I said, I've run a race here before. The St. Patty's Day race is here every year. I didn't run it this year though. I didn't have 50 to put in the pot. Not 50 I could spare anyway. But I'm done, dog. I'm gonna walk around here a little bit more. Try to walk this off a bit so my shit don't fucking lock up. Maybe do a little bit of stretching. And then see y'all at dinner. You were in frame when I pressed play. What's up? Got some Colvier toes. That's exactly what it's called. And I got 2 meals. Mama was doing candy orders tonight and it ran late and she didn't want to do any more cooking, so. Then I got 1 stove. I'm alright with this.
You want some?
That was good stuff, Maynard.
You want some? Were you guys good?
I wish we were good for you.
Me too.
You guys are always good for Dad.
What I really like about Culver's is I don't get tomato or cheese, and they take that money off of your total. $1.20 I think it is when it gets taken off my total combo because I don't get cheese and tomato. Unlike you go to McDonald's and you're like, no lettuce or cheese and tomato, and it's still the same price. It's cool that Culver's
Or
does
they charge you more. Oh, it's a specialty burger now. Because what did I used to get from McDonald's? A double cheeseburger with only mac sauce. So you take everything off, leave the cheese, and put on mac sauce, and they charged me
80 cents.
80 cents
for
for
the mac
them.
sauce.
Plus the $1 burger. It was crazy.
Hey!
Eat your food, Char.
What? This camera can't see me.
Not a 360 cam, it's just my phone.
Yeah. Mom, is dude a bad word for kids like dude? No way, dude. Jesus.
Boy, you are not saying nothing. You still ain't saying nothing.
What the heck? What?
Keep dropping everything.
Ha ha. You're in trouble.
I don't think I
You're in trouble.
have anything else I want to say. Today was a great day. Starting to get back to those 10K and 5Ks. So I think on leg day I'm gonna start taking it a little easier on leg days.
I'm in the toaster.
But other than that, we're still gonna get it. Today's just been a rainy ass day all day.
Not gonna be Tom's birthday.
I tell you, we need it. Need that rain.
Said he missed it. Your food. So good.
Be quiet.
See you guys in the morning.